Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to take off the front door card on Toyota RAV4. What we need: plastic trim tools. Let's find out the hidden screw. One hidden screw is behind that plastic and behind here, but no, doesn't matter which way you start. If you start the wrong way, you will have damage and lot of cost. So let's start here and popping out nice and gently. And don't forget to subscribe for more content what is coming every Tuesday and Thursday. So just popping out, and I will show you why no, doesn't matter, because this end with hook clip slide in. If you start from this way, you will break this clip, what you don't want. And then there is a Phillips screw underneath here, and other Phillips screw on the top. And then we need to take off this window switch, but still no, doesn't matter which way you start it. So I will show you just a second. All right, so now these ones we need to have to start this way, because very similar than this bottom one. There is a hook clip what you need to slide out from this way. So just press in and unplug, and then popping out. And there is a last Phillips screw what we take out quickly. Okay, and then just grab the door card and one strong pull. Yes, and then okay, and then shaking, and yeah, just now come out the screw, one of them, shaking, and then need unplug this handle cable. And the second screw is just come up, and this much easy. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.